In my last design, so I want to start with that. In my last design, the notification screen, so I misaligned some things inside of it when I'm doing like this search bar, search text inside, so it is not at the center. So the horizontal alignment, so the vertical alignment should be at the center, and also this particular tab bar, this is the notification screen, and we're having the wallet icon in the active state, which is not supposed to be. So the wallet is supposed to be at the default state. So why the notification, because we are the notification screen supposed to be at the active state. So let's also make that adjustment. So but now we are moving to the profile screen. So to design the profile screen, we'll be using this particular details, few details screen something. We duplicate that, bring it down here to have the adjustment, because majority of what we need for the profile screen is already here. This text, the background will be white, and we're having the text on it. This text as also white. Before I do the background color change, let me change that. I'll be changing everything all at once from here, but before I do that, I've been doing this maybe like 2 or 3 times from this and I have not explained. If I select something like this, the whole frame, every color I've used in this particular frame will be listed here. So if I want to change any color, I can do that just from here, any of the color. If I want to change this particular color to blue, I can do that, just come here and the color will change to blue. If I want to change it to red, I can change it to red. Just select, and if I want to modify every of this color with still having this design board, testing different color on it, I can do that here. Instead of still selecting one by one, going to field, I can just select the whole frame and do the adjustment of every color that we have inside. That's not where we are going, but just to explain that. So the background field for this will be white. This white text will be okay. Changing everything at once. This is where the thing is applicable and simple to use. So just changing every of the color to black immediately, just like that. So everything inside that place will change to black instead of doing it one after the other. So I'll be deleting this arrow bike icon, I'll be deleting this, I'll be deleting this as well. Okay, status bar, instead of just going to the file again, I can do that by changing everything to that black color. So, and the fill color for the frame, I will change it from here, change it to white. Okay, moving. So, and this one, I will change the background, this color to that deep green we have in our design. This is good. Select the other one and make a little shift. Fine. So we need a text here that will indicate the profile, and let the font be 44. Be very bold and put it bold. Okay, 60-30. Okay, then we need our profile image and the logout something. We can go and pick that from the menu screen. We don't have to redesign that. Also, we need both this profile and the logout. So press Ctrl C to copy and go and paste on our profile screen. V to paste. Fine. Okay. So this should be having 24 pixels to the top. 24. And this also should be having 24. Make sure this is 30 to the frame. Our profile is this 30, this is not 30, this 30 now. This 24, this 24, and this 30. This is also 30 now. Okay. Then we change the beyond text inside of this. We change it to online and medium, from regular to medium, and make sure we're having the fill color to be that deep green color. Okay, then we need to change the text that serves as the answer. You hold on, because whenever something is good, to pick what is inside sometimes might be very difficult. You double clicking, tapping around. So I've selected the first one, then you hold on Ctrl and Shift together. You press and hold, then you select whatever you have inside the group to pick. So that will be very easy to pick without, instead of double tapping, double clicking. I will change the color to that deep green field as well. Also, we need our line that we have under. This is too black. You hold on, click the first one, then you press Ctrl and Shift to hold on it together, then select what we have inside. Then we change the color, the stroke color to C7, so that will be light. Then this, take it up. We should be having this, change the width to 315, align to the center. How many pixels we having like this? Let's make it 120. Fine. Then we copy our tab bar. We have it here. So Ctrl C to copy. Go to profile. V to paste. Fine. And this is the profile screen. We will change this back. We'll be having this back at the default state. So the notification should be at the default state. Then we will have our profile at the active state. It's this screen. Alright, we are done with the profile screen. Then we will rename it to be our profile screen. So moving to the next screen, let's pick our frame, iPhone 13 mini. Boom, and this will be the home screen. Rename the home screen, and with this there is nothing much to do. This will just be having a circle. Press on the keyboard, hold on Shift, drag and drop, increase the width and height to 161. That should be fine. Align to the center both vertically and horizontally. Change the fill color to green, the deep green. Cancel. Then we move into our file to pick the Bpay App logo. So go to the logos folder, click on Bpay logo, open, click. Okay, then group the logo and the circle together. Ctrl G to group, selecting the two. So pick the logo to align both vertically and horizontally. Align to the center both vertically and horizontally, and the layers panel, rename this to be logo. Okay, we are done with this screen. Alright, so we'll be designing the next three screens in the next video, the onboarding screen, the first, second and the third one.